I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360, we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done. What's the difference between a Tesla Powerwall and other batteries that oftentimes we see?
Tesla has one of the state-of-the-art technologies, and they're a company that's been around and is in a really good position to be around for the foreseeable future. We really like working with them. Their app is clean. Also, there are other batteries of lower and higher qualities. It just depends, what you're talking about. You can go to some of these older properties and you might see even just a string of 12-volt batteries tied up golf cart style. And then there's other high-tech brands like Enphase, for example, that are putting out competitive products that are at the same par and sometimes even better than Tesla. It's a really exciting time to be in the renewable energy space and see the evolution of these technologies right before our eyes. We've been seeing battery technology improve over the last 10 to 20 years, and now we're in a spot where almost every single client that moves forward with a solar project is looking forward to getting the batteries as the #1 piece of their project. Come talk with our team over here at Axiom 360. We'll be glad to show you 1, 2, or even more batteries if you want to look into a variety of options.